Hi everyone, it's Amy here, checking in. How's it going? So I'm out here in Chilliwack right now on what's it called, the Thom Creek Trail. Objective is trying to get out to the lookout point of Mount Thom. So once I get there, I'll check in with you guys later and talk about the trail stats. All right, peace out. He thinks it's just everything.
Oh yeah.
Now he's,
Yeah. It is the same thing. It won't hurt, but you just like the sound of it. It's just.
Hi everyone, this is Amy here, checking in. How's it going? So I finally arrived to the summit of Mount Thom. So Mount Thom is actually located in Chilliwack, BC. Let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. It's about 10 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 375 meters. Average time, 2.5 hours to complete, and it is rated as an intermediate/moderate hike. As you can see in the background, there's amazing views up here of Chilliwack City. And then there's the trail, as you can see. What a beautiful day. And then there's the hiking buddies right here sitting on the bench. Hi, wave. Perfect. And then, yeah, it's actually a really great trail. You could bring your dogs up here. It's a dog-friendly trail. I think have to kind of be on a leash. I'm not 100% sure. Or off leash, I'm not sure. Have to read the stats on that again. But yeah, there's the Cultus Lake in the background, which is quite nice. And great trail with, you could also run in this, good soft ground to run for trail running. But anyways, hope you guys stay tuned for my next adventure. And if you guys like my YouTube video, please subscribe, press the subscribe button down there. And I'll stay tuned with you guys later. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Peace out.